Hi, my name is Maria Eugenia Hernandez. I am single, I am a student, I work in the farm, I live in the Tambo Cauca with my family in the farm. I study Bachelor in Mathematics. My favorite food is sancocho de gallina. My hobbies are watching TV, videos and movies. I like to cook. I like to read articles. I love to work with my family. My experience in Santa Marta. Last vacation was in Santa Marta. I was with my family. I was with my dad, my mom, my brother. We went in the off season, so everything was cheaper. For this, we stayed there 2 weeks in Ferrari. The the places we visited in the parque in Tayrona, the Gold Museum of Tayrona, Casa de la Aduana, the big beach of Taganga, the light Aquarium Mundo Marino. We returned in March. The weather in Santa Marta is terrible. Santa Marta is very hot. In Santa Marta, it reached a temperature of 38 degrees. Now, I give you some tips in Santa Marta. It is advisable that you use enough sunscreen. It is essential that you do not swim when the tide is too high or too low. It is necessary that children do not go alone to the beach. It is important that you do wear comfortable beach clothes. When you do walk into Parque Tayrona, it is advisable that you to carry a bottle of water. It is better that you to carry mosquito repellent. If you don't know how to swim, it is important that you carry a float. If you will bike, it is recommended that you use a life jacket. If you want to know incredible place, you should go to Parque Tayrona in Santa Marta. The people shouldn't go to Parque Nacional Tayrona without to buy food and water in the city of Santa Marta. Bye bye.